Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I am going to be playing with the brand new stamp set, Happy Thoughts. This is from our quarterly release, just released on October 22nd. I'm also going to be using the Brewing It Up paper pad for my color inspiration. I'll be creating a cute card, also using the brand new die, Cozy Mug die. So it's super adorable. There's a sample on the back. We are going to incorporate the die and the stamp together, so stick around. I've officially ran out of my Copic Express It paper, so I will be using for a while, because I have a huge stack, I will be using the Hammermill color copy. So here's the paper I'll be using. It's called Hammermill Premium Color Copy Cover, and it is in the 100-pound weight. 100 brightness. There's 250 sheets in here, so this is going to last me a long time. I purchased this on Amazon. So I've cut out my little coffee mug in the whipped topping, and I'm going to have a spoon sticking out the top. And let's see which cute little guy is going to be the cutest with this. So I'm going to have it to the side. Could do that one. That one. I like this one for my project today. So we'll stamp that out. You could even stamp a sentiment on the whipped cream. All right, so let's stamp out our cute little gnome. I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. Okay, so let's stamp out our cute gnome. All right, so adorable. Okay, so here's how my little gnome turned out. He's so cute. Let's put together the cozy mug. So I'm gonna put 2 layers on my base. I just want it to be more sturdy. Before we glue down the mug part, I want to tuck in the spoon. I want to make sure it's going to fit on my card base. So that looks like a good spot. Now let's add this layer on top. Oops, I put some glue right there. Let me wipe that off a little bit. And I'm just going to line this up on the bottom here. Okay, so for the peppermint, I want it to be sticking out of the whipped cream. So I thought I'd cut this kind of on a slope, like this. So then it looks like it's tucked into the whipped cream. Now let's see where I want that. Okay, so there it is. For my card base, I chose this pattern paper. I thought it looked really nice with this because I have some yellow on that star. So which out of the two collections are you liking more? Do you have a favorite, or are both just too cute? They're both really adorable. Like, I think this one's more on a cutesy side, and the one with the hot cocoa and ladies are a more sophisticated look, I think. So it's kind of nice to have both. So if you want to like send adult cards out, you could use one collection. And if you wanted to send one out to a younger crowd, you could use the other collection. And then I'm going to add this green to the bottom. I'm going to put this frame on an angle. I'm going to glue this on right in the middle of my frame. I'm going to pop up this snowflake right here in the corner. Have my gnome and sentiment. Okay, so here is the finished card. I added some stickles. So here is the finished card. I added some stickles to his star wand and the center of the snowflake. I have "'Tis the Season" for my sentiment. I added the little snowflake to the corner here, and I think it turned out adorable. The only thing I would have changed is I would have added some ink around my little cup here so it wouldn't get as lost in the background there. It would have popped out a little bit more. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you love the new products. I'll have everything listed in the description box for you. Thank you so much for checking it out. I really do appreciate it. And if you would hit that like button on your way out, that would be awesome. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you next time. Bye guys.